How many countries in this world really, really believe in freedom?
Oh my aunt, I'm a stranger and I like you, girl.
I love love, you know, and I give love to people.
Oh yeah, I'm one of the best.
I'm a Rasta man, clean Rasta man.
Okay, sweetheart, all right.
If you have good IQ and you get the right Jamaican person, you can't lose.
Jamaica is a small country, and this country is known throughout the whole world.
That is good. That is good. That is good. That is good.
What Jamaican people have, they don't give up that easily. Something brings them down, they try 10 times harder to push themselves back up.
Jamaica was not just another slave colony. In Jamaica, it's a place where the so-called worst of the slaves were taken. Those people who refused to bow to the Buckmaster and his harsh and brutal ideals.
This church was built in slavery days.
We as a people who have come through slavery, you know, we were a very spiritual people.
It's coming down to revelation. We are in revelation now.
If you look at the Caribbean and you even compare it to the Western world, they don't have much here, but they have their faith, they believe in God, and that's what they hold on to. And they hold on to hope.
Listen, it is we time. It's black people time.
Yeah, man.
There are more different churches in Jamaica, and yet there's no monolithic religious feeling that tries to put everybody into one tent.
Being happy comes from inside, and if you don't have this get-rich-quick attitude, then you'll always be happy.
If your car breaks down in Europe, nobody would even dream of stopping and helping you. In Jamaica, if your car breaks down, 5 people will stop.
Everyone should come together and say, yes, it's we time.
Big up to the world. Yeah.
I love Jamaica because I feel Jamaica is a land of freedom. There's an expression in Jamaica, man free.